everyone has a view of all the wonderful things to do.
How was your school year, Max?
Oh, it was great. I think my new favorite subject is math.
Math is mine's lunch.
Blueberry, look at all this mess.
Oh, Max, I think we're gonna have to clean our room.
Ugh.
Oh, dear. Cleaning up, I just can't believe it. Cleaning up, really can't believe it. Oh, hey, Max.
Hey, Blueberry.
What's in the bag? Oh, what's in the bag? Oh, it looks really heavy. It must be a pirate's treasure. Oh, no. It's a bag full of moon rocks.
This is...
Oh, no. Oh,
I don't know what it's...
Oh, so it's a bag
I don't know what's in it,
full
Blueberry.
of mystery.
This bag belongs to Sophie.
Sophie?
Sophie Lewis. She's my bear cub, Blueberry.
Oh, that's right. This summer you get to be a big bear.
Do you think I could set up my own bookshelf over there?
No! We already have a bookshelf for all of our toys.
Where do you keep your books?
Like, for reading?
We might have to move this bed a little to make room for my exercises. Exercises?
Actually, Sophie, we usually go hiking or canoeing or play softball for exercise.
Aren't you afraid of sunburn or getting dirty?
Afraid of getting dirty?
Blueberry, Sophie is my bear cub, and she only comes to camp every morning, and then her mom picks her up each afternoon. But she still gets to play in our cabin. This is her clubhouse, too.
I know, Max, but everybody calls it Blueberry's clubhouse. We can't change now.
Today is the campwide cleanup, where we donate all the things we don't use anymore.
It's a cleanup, not a clean out.
I'm sure we can make some room for some of your new things, if you still want to. It would be an honor and a privilege. That means yes.
Oh.
I actually know someone who can help you get organized, but she isn't here. Well, that's okay. We can just call her on the periscope. Periscope?
Yeah, a magical periscope only found at Blueberry's clubhouse.
Does it have a loudspeaker?
A speaker? No, that's what the Howdy Helmet's for.
If it had a speaker, then you can make announcements all over camp. I think I have one.
Oh, no, there's no time for that. It's ringing.
Hello, Clubhouse crew. I'm Susie Sorts. Here is what I advise on getting your clubhouse organized. When you're in doubt, unsure what to do, remember my tips. Out with the old and in with the new. Tip number 1, remember, declutter is your bread and butter. Too much stuff lying around? Then get everything up off the ground. Put it back into its proper place. Everything else? Get it out of your space. Tip number 2, if you don't wear it, share it. Those old clothes that aren't your size, those are clothes someone else would prize. They don't fit with how much you've grown. Gather them up and find them a home. Tip number 3, a living clean dream. Now's the time to roll up our sleeves. A spotless clean we need to achieve. Dust, mop, and take out the trash. Before you know it, you'll be done in a flash. Now, with everything cleaned and sorted out, all new fun can begin to sprout. Think of all the new things you can accrue. Books and games, even a canoe. Out with the old and in with the new.
Oh, hey! All this talk of cleaning reminds me of my friend who got a PhD in washing machines. Now they call him the spin doctor. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, did you hear the one about the messy bed? Yeah, I made it up. You get it? Well, speaking of cleaning, you guys mind giving me a hand? I need to clean my corner of the tree. Where you going? Oh, come on, it'll only take a minute.
Wow. This place is really roomy once you start changing things up.
You bet. Now it looks like we have enough room for my beach umbrella.
Umbrella?
For the monsoons, right?
Right.
It's not even monsoon season.
Whoa, look at this cool old music.
I got it from the donation center. I love the jams.
We don't need those. We make up our own songs. Listen. Cleaning up, I just can't believe it. Cleaning up, really can't believe it.
Hey, Blueberry, have you found anything to donate yet? Well, I haven't seen you wear this stuff in a long time.
Oh, what are you talking about? I wear this stuff all the time.
Come on, Blueberry. Out with the old and in with the new.
Well, I still need them. Because they're mine. They've always been mine.
Max, can you come help me with this?
What are y'all doing? Hey, stop! I need... Oh! Hey! Hey, stop! Hey, that's mine! Wait! Oh! Oh, that's my garden hat! Oh, my poncho! That double bag's really deep. Oh, ah! Oh, hey, you're making a mess! Hey, now that's enough! That's enough! That's enough stuff! I think that's enough! That's enough! Enough! Stop it! Stop! Stop right now! Stop it with the stuff in the duffel bag! It's too much! It's all too much!
Blueberry, Sophie is my bear cub. And this is her summer camp, too. Even if it is her first year.
But I'm your best friend. What about me?
I'm sorry, Max.
It's not your fault, Sophie. I'm so glad you've come to camp. It's just Blueberry has a hard time when things change.
So she brings in this huge duffel bag, right? And it's huge! I mean, bigger than my bed. Who even needs that much stuff? And then she wanted to take stuff off the bookshelves, and that's where my toys are. Listen, Melba, it was out of control. Even Max is trying to give away my clothes. Who is this Sophie, anyway? Oh, yeah, sorry about that.
Hi, Blueberry. How's Melba?
Hungry today.
This is my friend, Mr. Matheny, from the donation center.
Oh, you're the one taking all my clothes.
Well, not all of them. Just the ones you don't need anymore.
Yeah, out with the old, in with the new.
Now you're getting it.
But I don't want to throw all my clothes out.
Is that what you think we do with your stuff, Blueberry? Not at all. My team takes donations from kids like you from all over the state. There we clean, sort, and organize everything to make sure it's all in tip-top shape. Then we take the new and improved donations and connect them with children and families in need of them, giving your stuff the best home possible. So when a new little girl or boy finds a new shirt or shoes to be excited about, that could be your clothes. You can make all that happiness and excitement possible. So we aren't simply tossing your clothes aside, Blueberry. We're preparing them for a whole new family and a new friend.
There's just too many new friends.
Is this really about your clothes, Blueberry? Or are you worried about having someone new in the clubhouse?
Well, so much is going to be different, Counselor Carol.
Things are changing, but that's part of growing up. But if we make the best of changes like these, we'll be even happier down the road.
Well, I don't know how to make the best of these changes.
Sure you do. I don't know any other camper who's as good at making new friends as you, Blueberry.
Well, I love new friends, and I've already forgiven Matheny for taking all my clothes.
What about Sophie?
Oh, Sophie. I don't think she'll want to be my friend anymore. I wasn't very nice to her earlier.
I doubt it's all that bad. I bet if you talked to Sophie and told her how you really felt, she'd understand.
Hi, Max. Hi, Where's Sophie?
She's at the lake house, looking for another big bear.
Oh no, what happened?
Is it because of what I said?
Well, that certainly didn't help.
Well, can't you fix this, Counselor Carroll?
I don't know.
You know, Blueberry, part of maturing is living with the consequences of your actions.
What? The time for lessons has passed, Matheny! Now is the time for action!
Blueberry!
Wowee! Oh boy! Am I in a dream? I see an umbrella in here. Is that the numerated triangle? Oh, dark in here. There's a spider in here. There's a spider. Oh no! It's just made of rubber. It's a fake. Periscope! Plug me in! Attention, Camp Onomatopoeia! Attention, Sophie Lewis! This is Blueberry, and I've got something to say! I just wanted to say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made fun of your books and your duffel bag. I thought you were taking away my clubhouse. And I got angry because you wanted to change things. But I shouldn't have been angry at you. Change isn't a bad thing. Change can be as fun and exciting as you make it. So come back, Sophie Lewis. Come back to Blueberries. I mean, come back to our clubhouse.
Can you at least turn it down?
The volume represents the depth of my regret, Matheny!
Your regret is too loud!
Sophie! Did you get my message?
I think most of the state got your message, Blueberry.
So you'll be my bear cub again?
That depends. Do you want me as your bunkmate, Blueberry?
It would be an honor and a privilege. I can't believe I got so angry with you moving into the clubhouse, Sophie. You know, I was scared you wanted to replace Max. I was so worried about how I felt that I didn't even consider how my words might make you feel. I'm glad you decided to stay. This music is great.
I'm glad I'm staying too, but you didn't have to apologize so loudly.
Huh?